some of the best marketing education, direct booking education. He's awesome.
I consider him a really good friend. He's the only person that I've had on my podcast 3 times. Ladies and gentlemen, get on your feet. I'm not bringing him out here until you're on your feet. Make some noise for my man, Mr. Mark Simpson.
Some of you aren't going to like me with what I'm going to say, but it needs to be said. So stay standing if 90% of your bookings come in from Airbnb. Stay standing. Sit down if not. All right, I just saw it. So, congratulations. You do not have a business, you have a job. Brian Chesney is your boss. And the shit thing about having a boss is that they can change the rules at any time. How many of you have seen the Facebook posts the last few weeks in the groups of people saying, ever since that Facebook change, I am down on bookings? It's because you are building your house on someone else's land. Now, every single time somebody says to me, I've got an Airbnb business, or I'm staying in an Airbnb, a little bit of me dies inside. Because you are branding Airbnb. Do not Uber this industry. Right? You are not staying in Airbnb, you're staying in a short-term rental. And everything that I'm going to show you today will not cost you a penny. You don't have to do Facebook ads. You don't have to pay Mr. Zuckerberg. You don't have to do Google ads. Everything I'm going to show you is free, easy, and doesn't take any time to do. Now, I'm going to ask you a question, and I want you to say born ready. Okay? Are you ready to increase your direct bookings? Sorry, maybe it's my English accent. Born ready, that's what you're going to say. We'll put that on here, right? Are you ready to increase your direct bookings? I can't hear you. Are you ready to increase your direct bookings? Well, here we go. Cheers.
No, this is late. You met Bradley Cooper, you know, from The Hangover.
Oh, you thought you were not?
No, yeah.
James Murphy. Yeah, definitely.
You know how ever.
You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Good.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you. This is what Julie's going to get. Julie George is going to get all of this, and we're going to do all of this, and we'll put it all out.
I love watching the podcast anyways.
I don't want to say anything, but probably the number 1.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So you want to do my website?
Yeah, just message me.
Honestly, when did you become so funny? You were already funny.